Hello everyone, I'm Anthony, the Eclectic Chef. If I sound a bit bunged up, please excuse me, it's allergy season here and it always takes its toll on me. But here today we're going to talk about pickled jalapeno peppers. You know, as you can see from this picture, they can get to be a good price in the supermarket. So I thought, maybe we'll make our own. Hello everyone, back again to talk a bit more about these pickled jalapenos and why we do it ourselves. I'm quite picky about what gets put into my food, and I would have assumed that pickled jalapenos just had jalapenos, vinegar, water, sugar, salt, something like that, but apparently not. There's a bunch of stuff on this label that I don't know why they put it in. I'm sure it's all safe, generally recognised as safe, and some of this stuff I suspect a modernist chef might not even bat an eye at, but I do. So we're going to make our own, and it's only going to have jalapenos, vinegar, water, sugar, salt, and a few herbs from my garden in it. And there we go. I'm really looking to get all the weird stuff out of my food and your food. Thanks again for watching. Now let's get to the pickled jalapenos. So we'll make our own. And all there'll be is jalapenos, vinegar, water, sugar, salt, and some additional flavourings. We've got some lovely sliced fresh jalapenos here. There's our 1 litre jar. We're going to put them in, a little bit of rosemary. We'll have some garlic cloves and black peppercorns in here too. So here are our flavourings in the bottom of our pickling jar. We have 2 sprigs of rosemary, 4 sprigs of oregano from the garden, 4 cloves of garlic crushed, 2 coins of ginger fresh, and about a couple of teaspoons of pink peppercorns and a couple of teaspoons of black peppercorns. And we're just going to pack our jalapeno slices in on top of these. They'll stay on the bottom because all we want is them to infuse the vinegar mixture to add a bit of flavour. So here's our pickling solution. 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water. We have 3 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of Himalayan pink salt. We'll dissolve the sugar and the salt, and then just when this is really nicely heated up, we'll pour it all over the jalapenos in the jar. So here we go. Javelina packed in the jar filled up with our pickling solution. We'll put the lid on this, let it get down to room temperature before we put it in the fridge. And we'll see you back here in about a week and see if it worked out. Okay, so a week later, here are our pickled jalapeno slices. If we turn the jar, you'll see we got our aromatics down here. They look great. The jalapenos turned out perfectly, by the way. I took one of the big slices out yesterday and ate it by itself. A little spicy, but fresh jalapeno taste, lovely background taste from the aromatics we'd put in there. So I would have to say this has worked out very well. If you look at these, they're a nice bright green colour. See our aromatics still in the bottom. Fresh tasting. If I had it, next time I do this, let me say this, I'll slice these thinner. I purposely put them in, seeds, pith and all, because I'm not afraid of heat. If you don't like the heat from pickled jalapenos, slice them lengthways, leaving the pith and seeds behind, and slice the javelina, I've said that twice now, jalapeno, and we'll pickle it as we will. I will emphasize, no javelina were hurt in the pickling of our jalapenos. I'm sorry about that. They both start with J, and we have a bunch of javelina around here who raid the front yard all the time. There you go. That's what's on my mind.